Airbus stopped production of the A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, primarily due to a lack of sustained demand from airlines. Here are the key reasons behind the decision. 1. Shift in market demand. Airlines increasingly favored smaller, more fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft like the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787 Dreamliner. These aircraft offer lower operating costs and greater flexibility for route planning, making them more attractive for long-haul flights. The A380, with its 4 engines and large capacity, was designed for high-density, long-haul routes. However, many airlines found it challenging to fill all seats consistently, leading to lower profitability compared to smaller, more versatile aircraft. 2. High operating costs. The A380's size and complexity resulted in higher operating costs, including fuel consumption, maintenance, and airport fees. Airlines struggled to justify these costs, especially on routes with lower passenger demand. Smaller, more efficient aircraft could operate similar routes with lower costs, making them a better financial choice for airlines. 3. Limited route flexibility. The A380 required airports with specialized infrastructure to accommodate its size, such as reinforced runways, larger gates, and boarding bridges. This limited the number of airports capable of handling the aircraft, reducing its operational flexibility. Airlines preferred aircraft that could serve a wider range of airports and routes, including secondary hubs and point-to-point routes, rather than relying on major hub-and-spoke systems. 4. Declining orders. Airbus struggled to secure enough orders to keep the A380 production line economically viable. Many airlines canceled or reduced their orders, and new customers were scarce. Emirates, the largest A380 customer, significantly reduced its order in 2019, which was the final blow to the program. Emirates had been the primary driver of A380 demand, and without its support, the program became unsustainable. 5. Focus on efficiency and sustainability. The aviation industry has been shifting toward more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly aircraft. The A380, being an older design, was less efficient compared to newer models like the A350 and A380neo, which incorporate advanced materials and engines for better fuel economy and reduced emissions. 6. Economic and pandemic impacts. The COVID-19 pandemic further accelerated the decline in demand for large aircraft like the A380. With global air travel severely reduced, airlines retired older, less efficient planes, including many A380s, and focused on smaller, more cost-effective fleets. Conclusion. Airbus officially announced the end of A380 production in February 2019, with the final aircraft delivered to Emirates in December 2021. While the A380 was an engineering marvel and a symbol of aviation ambition, changing market dynamics and operational challenges made it less viable in the modern airline industry. Airbus has since shifted its focus to more efficient and flexible aircraft to meet evolving customer needs.